Hello, every crypto trader out there. Today, we are going to be talking about Ethereum. Yes, guys, as you guys know, recently crypto has been rallying up, and Ethereum has been doing pretty well. It is testing this key resistance, and I'm going to tell you what is next for Ethereum. So make sure to watch the whole video. With that said, this is DC Trading. Today we're going to be doing a technical analysis on Ethereum, some price predictions for Ethereum, as well as some crypto news. With that said, this is DC Trading, and let's get right into it. Okay, so first off, we are going to look at the 1 hour candlesticks doing a technical analysis. As you guys know, we did test this key resistance of 1,241, but it seems like we can't keep above this resistance. We do pass it, but eventually, we get weaker and weaker. We continue to fall and get rejected. It looks like we're about to test this key resistance once again. If you look at the volume, there's not a lot of volume going on for some reason, but the price is still going up, which is why I believe Ethereum is weak. I don't believe it's going to break or it's going to keep above the 1241 on the 4 hour, the 1 day, and the 1 week. With that said, we're looking right now at the 1 hour. It's in the oversold. Also, it's touching the bottom Bollinger Band. So yes, guys, we're going to have to make our way up. Is it going to pass the 1230 level? Because it seems like this is the resistance it has to break through if it wants to test it again. So yes. Now, we are looking at the 4 hours. You guys can see the 4 hours. It shows us something very different. The 4 hours, we're in the overbought, not the oversold. As a result, we are heading down. We're going to touch this. We might go as low as 1,177. As you guys can see, it is testing right now. If you look at the volume is not very high right now. Not too much is going on. If you look at the 1 day as well, you can clearly see we are getting rejected. We can't keep above. We do wick above the 1241 price level, but we can't keep above and close the 4 hourly along with the 1 day and the weekly candlesticks. So that is the next step for Ethereum if we want to be bullish, considered bullish, or a reversal. We must, close the weekly candlestick, the 4 hourly candlestick on or above the 1240 price. Yes. Clearly we can't. We got rejected here once, twice, now the third time. We're going to see if it tests again because it looks at the 1 day candlesticks. It is showing us we're in the overbought and we're at the top of the Bollinger Band. So we did get rejected. Not a lot of volumes going on, as you guys can see right here. So overall, for Ethereum, I would have to say we are most likely going to get rejected. Looking at the 1 hourly, we are going to get rejected most likely. Yes, we might keep above here for a few more days, but overall, I don't believe we're going to, close above the 1240. If we do, that's a whole other thing, because we have to keep in mind, guys, we still have the Fed meeting on the 26th through the 27th, which can shape the crypto market. So yes, overall, my price prediction for Ethereum is we are going to, by the end of Sunday, we are going to, get rejected. We're going to go all the way down to the 1,060, as I said way before. 1,190 to 1,060 price range around this area, because we're going to cool off. Because if you look at the volume, not a lot of volume is going on. in order for us to move even higher, we need a lot of buying power from these Ethereum traders. But it looks like no one's that confident because we're not moving higher. So yes, now moving on to some crypto news. As you guys can see, Celsius is being, called a fraud and Ponzi scheme by actually a former manager by the name of Jason Stone. And he's threatening to sue. He did work for Celsius. He's come out and said that they're a fraud and Ponzi scheme. This is some big news for Celsius as they are insolvent. They filed for bankruptcy. They're pretty much done. Some more news is crypto exchange blockchain.com faces $270 million hit on the loans to Three Arrows Capital. As you guys know, Three Arrows Capital is becoming insolvent. They went bankrupt and they're not able to pay back the $270 million they owe from blockchain because blockchain, lended them money. This is some other major news for crypto. Now moving on to the market. Yes, guys, just released today. The jobs for June in 2022 actually revealed that they did have done way better than expected. It says the U.S. job market was stronger than expected in June, with payrolls growing by 372,000. Yes. Healthcare's and social assistance saw the biggest jump month over month, adding nearly 78,000 jobs, according to Labor Department, which is another reason why we saw, the stock market in the green as well as crypto. That's a good sign for the economy. We're still in recovery though, guys. It's month by month. That doesn't mean we're out of any fears of a recession. That's what you guys got to understand. It doesn't mean anything. Overall, though, guys, if we look at crypto right now, it's down 1.7%. Ethereum, along with Bitcoin, is up actually 0.43%. If you look at Bitcoin, it is testing again, guys. It's making its way back up. As you guys can see, the 21,600 price level is a key resistance for Bitcoin. It must close above this on the weekly and the 4-hourly if we wanted to consider to be, a reversal or somewhat bullish. But yes, that is it. This is DC Trading. Make sure to subscribe, like for the next video.